Hey plant enthusiasts, welcome back to Houseplants Love. Today we're delving into the wonderful world of houseplant care, especially for all you beginners out there. If you're on the hunt for information and advice, you're in the right spot. This adventure requires patience and continual learning, but don't worry, we're going to navigate these green waters together. So get ready to dive in. The first and foremost step in houseplant care is providing adequate light. Plants are like solar-powered factories, converting light into energy for growth. So finding the right spot in your house that receives sufficient natural light is crucial, and rotate your plants regularly. But remember, not all plants require the same amount of light. Some thrive in direct sunlight, while others prefer a more shaded environment. So, it's important to understand the light requirement of your specific houseplant. Discovering the benefits of using rainwater for your plants has been a game changer. While it might seem like a bit of effort, the results are remarkable. Unlike tap water, rainwater is free from treatment chemicals and salts, making it gentler on your plants. Especially for sensitive varieties like caladiums and calatheas, tap water's fluoride content can be harsh, causing long-term soil issues. A crucial note: if you have a water softener, avoid using its sodium-rich water for plants. It can be detrimental. Collecting rainwater is a breeze. A simple bucket left outside does the trick. Embrace this natural, chemical-free approach for healthier, thriving plants. The next step is establishing a watering schedule. Watering is not just about quantity, but also about timing. It's like a dance where you need to find the right rhythm. Too much water can drown the roots, and too little can leave the plant parched. So, how do you find the right balance? As a rule of thumb, always check the top inch of soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, give it more time. Next, we move on to maintaining proper temperature and humidity levels. Most houseplants originate from tropical regions, which means they prefer a warm and humid environment. A regular misting can help in maintaining humidity, but be careful with the temperature. Sudden changes can shock the plant, so try to keep the temperature consistent. Increase humidity for plants, especially during this time of the year. With the central heating cranked up, our indoor air tends to get a bit dry. If you're without a humidifier or just looking to boost your home's humidity, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've made a video about various methods to increase humidity. Check it out for some fantastic tips. You'll find the link in the description box below and also in the I button. Pruning is another important aspect of houseplant care. It's like giving your plant a haircut. Pruning helps to promote growth and maintain the shape of the plant, so don't shy away from it. Regularly check your plant for any dead or yellow leaves and prune them off. Fertilizing your plant is like feeding it. Plants need nutrients to grow, and fertilizing helps to replenish those nutrients in the soil. Choose a high-quality fertilizer and follow the instructions, or you can use water after boiling eggs, vegetables, pasta, or rice. Turn it into a simple and effective plant fertilizer. You can also check the video Organic Fertilizers for Plants, link in description and I button. The next step is choosing the right pot. A good pot should have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. It's also important to consider the size of the pot. A pot that's too small can limit root growth, while a pot that's too big can lead to overwatering. Finally, consider the seasonal needs of your houseplant. Just like us, plants have different needs in different seasons. They may need more water in the summer and less in the winter. So it's important to adjust your care routine according to the season. It might seem obvious, but regularly dusting your plant leaves is crucial. Even low-light plants need light for photosynthesis, and a dusty layer can hinder that process. Dust-free leaves mean faster growth and lower susceptibility to pests. After dusting, use a wet sponge or kitchen roll for a thorough wipe, removing any residual dust. This is also an excellent opportunity to inspect for pests. Don't forget the undersides of leaves. I recommend dusting weekly and wiping them down at least once a month to keep your plants healthy and pest-free. Remember, every plant is unique and requires a different care routine. So, do your research before bringing a new plant home, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful houseplant parent. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Houseplants Love. Stay tuned for more green goodness.